Hello student, this is your biology class for class 11th and chapter number 2 is continued beta biological classification. Today we will discuss about the next topic is protozoan. As you know that protozoan beta is a heterotroph and live as a predators or parasites are both. They are endoparasites and pathogen. Clear? And pathogen means beta that's causing effect of the disease. Clear? And all is spread by contain vector, for example trypanosoma, leishmania, etc. Trypanosoma for the causative agent of the Kala Azar disease, and leishmania is a causative agent is sickles is a disease of sleep sickness. Clear? And Gardner is an intestinal disease. There are the four major group of the protozoans are described in below. The first is amoeboid protozoans, second flagellates protozoan, and the third is ciliate protozoan, fourth is sporozoans. So student, first is amoeboid protozoans. Actually beta, these organisms live in fresh water, seawater or moist soil, and they move and capture their prey by putting at pseudopodia. As in amoeba, marine form have silica shells on their surface. Some of them such as entamoeba as parasite. Actually you have already learned in 9th standard or some portion also learned in 10th standard. Clear? Next one, flagellated protozoans. The member of these groups are either free living or parasitic, and the parasite form cause disease such as sleep sickness, trypanosoma. I have already studied about you. Next one, ciliated protozoan. These are mostly beta aquatic and active moving of the organism parasites. These are presence of thousands of cilia, and they have a cavity that opens to the outside of the cell surface, for example paramecium. And next one is sporozoan. These include the organisms that have an infections, spores like algae, and their life cycle the most nutritious is plasmodium. Next topic, kingdom fungi. As you know that beta, kingdom fungi are the heterotrophic, and due to absence of chlorophyll they become either parasites or sporophytes. Clear? And thallus is colorless filamentous structure and also known as the network mycelium. And the main function of hyphae or mycelium beta, the adhesive structure, that is adhesion form into the substratum or gain nutritions, the body of substratum. Clear? And food material is stored in the form of glycogen and oil drops form, and cell wall is made of cellulose just like a plant cell. And eukaryotic in nature, they are decomposers. Decomposer means beta, they have to eat for some body of the dead body like plant or animal, are known as beta decomposer nutritions. Clear? Some fungi causes disease in plants and animals. Wheat rust causing Puccinia as an important example of disease. Some of source of antibiotic, for example beta penicillium is the most important miracle in fungus, just like antibiotics for penicillium. Okay? And it is composition and occur in air, water, soil and other animals and plants. They grow in warm and humid places. Now reproduction in fungi, it takes place by vegetative means, fragmentation, fission and budding. These are included the reproduction. Asexual reproduction by spores is known as conidia or zoospore, and sexual reproduction by oospore and ascospores and basidospores. The various spores are produced in structure is known as fruiting bodies. The sexual cycles involve their three types: plasmogamy, karyogamy and meiosis. In plasmogamy, the fusion of protoplasm between two motile or non-motile gametes is known as plasmogamy. Now, karyogamy. Actually, karyogamy is a Greek word that is karyo. Karyo means nucleus, gamy matlab fused. So, in this form, the two nuclei are fused, called karyogamy. Meiosis means in haploid spore constituent together and remaining zygote. And next topic, classification of fungus. So beta, first Phycomycetes. Actually, in Phycomycetes, there is mostly presence or occur in aquatic habitats and on decaying wood in moist and damp places or as parasites on plants. The mycelium is aseptate. Aseptate and septate. There are two types of mycelium. When the free form of the wall is known as aseptate, and when the attached wall is known as septate. Clear? Reproduction, a sexual type that takes place by motile zoospore formation or non-motile planospores. Gametes may be isogamous or anisogamous. Isogamous means beta that is similar gametes, and anisogamous matlab means non-similar, means not identical gametes. For example, Rhizopus, Mucor, Albigo and Phytophora. These are the example of Phycomycetes. Next one, Ascomycetes. In this class, the organism more than 35,000 species are included. The spores are produced in sac-shaped structure is known as asci, and each ascus bear 4 to 8 ascospores in unicellular, for example yeast, and multicellular, for example penicillium. They are saprophyte or decomposers. Parasites mostly growing on dung. Mycelium is branched and septate. Clear? Asexual reproduction by budding, for example in yeast, or by spores called conidia that develop in sequence at the tip of certain hyphae. Sexual spores are known as ascospores that's produced in sac-like asci. These asci are arranged in different types of fruiting bodies is known as ascocarpus. Some examples of Aspergillus, Clavicus and Neurospora. Next, basidocytes. Basidomycetes. Actually, this is the correction, and the mostly example is Basidomycetes, mushroom, puffballs and stools. Bracket fungi that are mostly included in must and smut. These are the causing disease of the crop pattern. That's composite more than 25,000 species, and they reproduce asexually by the basidium. It club-shaped hyphae cells at the tip of which develop for basidospore. It released and developed new mycelia. Primary mycelium is formed due to germination and haploid spore. The sexual spores is separated by the plasmogamy and the karyogamy. Next beta, Deuteromycetes. Deuteromycetes is commonly known as the imperfect fungi because reason is that beta only asexual or vegetative phase are present in these fungi. So it is known as imperfect. Clear? They have members belonging to the both Ascomycetes and the Basidomycetes, and they reproduce only asexual spores. Example, conidia formation, and the mode of nutrition is parasitic or saprophytic. For example, Alternaria. So student, in next class we will discuss about the new topic. So thanks students.